Hey everybody, this will be another in my series of catching trains and control points. We are at the west end of Cliff, the east portal of tunnel number 5. I did a shot here some time back, but it was that was one about the tunnels or tunnel 5, I can't remember. I'll have to go through them, and if I figure out which one it was, I'll link it in the description below. But anyway, this end of the siding, West Cliff, used to be up around the curve, and Tunnel 6 was behind me, right over my shoulder here, and they daylighted Tunnel 6 and then extended the end of the siding, west end of the cliff, down here to where we are now. So anyway, got a BNSF coming up through Bealville right now, and we'll catch them coming out of the tunnel, coming through the west end of Cliff. All right, you can hear him coming through the tunnel. I'll link the tunnel videos in here too, and the video I did for the 180 between 3 and 5. I'll also include the playlist of all the 180s. This tunnel is 1,175 feet long, something like that. I got 8 units on the front end, but only 4 of them are running. He is heading on up the hill. He's not going slow at all. Obviously, he didn't need 8 units. I don't know, maybe one of you trainmen that watch this, an engineer or conductor, could elaborate. I don't know, maybe they just move locomotives around like that when they're not needed. They just drag them around not running, or take them to be repaired. I really don't know. But I don't think they would have put 8 units on this train for the power. Obviously didn't need it. Hey, I'm just a signal guy. M23 power switch machine. The setback signal for the siding there. Boy, it's turned out to be a beautiful day. Oh my gosh. Looking off down towards Bakersfield. Bealville crossing down there below us. I was actually gonna just re-edit the shot I got of the train coming out of here a while back. It was shot from the other side of the tracks, but I figured, what the heck, I just come up here and get another one. Shoot it from this side of the tracks. It's a little less dramatic because you can't actually see the train going around the curve, but there is an eastbound BNSF headed through CPSP 342 West Cliff. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Click on the bell if you want to be notified of future content. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the next control point.